All right, YouTube peeps, we're on Q39. We're looking at Wednesday's homework. We are going to find the area of an irregular shape. We're going to be working on shapes that has 4 right angles, so that's going to be a quadrilateral. We got comparing fractions with like denominators, and then we have comparing fractions at the bottom here using the draw a picture strategy. We've been talking about this in class. You want to make 2 rectangular pizzas right underneath one another about the same size so that you can compare the fractions. Okay, looking at this irregular shape, you can cut it anywhere. You don't want to cut it this like that though, obviously, because then how are you going to figure out this little area there in the middle? So you don't want to do that. You want to turn the irregular shape into 2 rectangles. Okay, you can use your hand to see the 2 shapes. We have an 8x4, 32, 8x4, 32. You can use your hand to see the other shape. That's a 4x12, which is 48. Okay, once you find the area of the 2 shapes, then you can add them together. 32 plus 48. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Final answer, 80. Even more accurate, you can put 80 centimeters squared. The area of an irregular shape. You want to multiply the length times the width. Draw a shape that has 4 right angles. That's going to be a square. A right angle is like the corner of a piece of paper. A right angle is like the corner of a piece of paper. Another one would also be a rectangle, would have 4 right angles. Compare the fractions, all right? Because the denominators are the same, we can think of going to 2 different parties. Both of the parties are going to have 4 people in it, looking at the denominator. The numerator is how many slices you get to have. So both parties are going to have 4 people at the party. You want to go to the one with 3 slices. The alligator mouth always eats the larger amount. Okay, 2 parties, 4 people at each party. You get 3 slices here. Just kind of helping you with tomorrow's. Going with the same party analogy, you know you get 4 slices no matter what party you go to. You want to go to the party with only 6 people though. Why? The slices will be bigger. You're going to be sharing with less people. All right, looking at, let's go ahead and take a look at the Natalie question here for Tuesday. Here you have a 2 fractions, and they're different, right? This looks like 3/12. This is 3/12, okay? Whereas in this one is 3/6. So when the numbers are different, or if you're confused, draw 2 rectangular pizzas, and then you can see which one is more. All right, let's look at the Joshua example. We have 1/3 and 2/3. With the bottom number the same, it's pretty easy to tell which one is the most, and it is the 2/3 one. Helping you with tonight's homework, Thursday, let's take a look at these 2 fractions. You got 1 out of 2. Oops. And then here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 out of 6. The numerators are the same, so this is pretty easy. Both parties you go to, you only get one slice. You want to go to the party that only has 2 people. All right, hopefully that helps you with Q39 math homework.